Sorry, my apologies. There we go. Sorry, guys. But yeah, good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, so today, in terms of news, we're all good. We are all good because of the fact that I'm trying to think of how there is reasonable, isn't it? That, yeah, that's cool. Because of the fact, yeah, so my final services PMI, normally not the greatest amount of volume. So yeah, we're okay with that. Obviously, you just got to be a bit careful later on for like 3 o'clock. That could be a little bit of an issue. A lot of Euro news here, but for the most part, it's not bad at all. Okay, so let's get into our morning analysis. Okay, like that for you guys. Trying to get the chat where I want it. There we go. So let's take a look. Go to the higher time frames, just like we always do. Let's go to the monthly. Okay, so the monthly is driving, looking really good to come and tap 2,148. Looking very, very solid for that. Okay, yeah, looks really, really solid. As I've said, you know, if this monthly candle does close above 2061, that'll be great for the next monthly candles to continue bullish. So that looks really, really solid. Okay, makes it all very nice. I was thinking, just get my zoom annotations out. But yeah, we are continuing here, and we do expect price to probably now go and tap 2,148. Okay, that's the wick fill. Is it going to happen today? Probably not. Is it going to happen sometime this month? Probably yes, but we do not know yet. Okay, we've got to wait and make sure that we progress reasonably. And I know it's so easy to just take a buy now because again it's pushed so much, but again, don't get trapped in that. You need to make sure you know exactly what's going on. But yeah, we have broken above 2,065, and this is the zone that's really, really nice and clean and pushes quite quickly. Okay, so taking a look at the weekly time frame, let me write these on now. These are still the white zones for the monthly. Beautiful. So you can see here, crisp daily candle closing bullish, which is right here. Sorry, weekly candle closing bullish here, which is the whole thing. For me, I just wanted a bit more of a lower wick here, but that's fine. If you took your pips, great. But yeah, such a solid closure above. If this was on the 30-minute time frame, amazing closure. And yeah, just continuing up. Nothing much to really say because for the most part, we're just in the new zone. Okay, we've closed above. We should fill the zone up, and the next target is 2,150. Okay, so yeah, pretty simple. In terms of analysis, in terms of adding more zones on, it's really pretty much the same as the weekly. So I'm gonna leave that there. Sorry, as the monthly. So I'm gonna leave that there. Now this is the daily here. So we have a little bit more of a daily resistance, a little bit higher up. You'd say it's probably here. I'm gonna write this one on. Right, this one. Beautiful. So yeah, the daily candle has closed bullish again. Now, you know, do I expect us to continue without making another wick? No, I think you're gonna have to retrace to some point. Where could you potentially retrace? Well, the daily candle doesn't really have anything apart from, you know, 2,079. So realistically, I mean, you know, anything in the next couple of days to get a retest would be nice, you know, to continue bullish later on, maybe to go retest this level. But yeah, I just need some sort of lower wicks, some sort of retracements to then make some supports, and then we can actually make some decisions on that. But right now, we are just so flying bullish, which is very, very fascinating. Take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, same kind of story as down here. You know, we took the buys here. So, yeah, if you look actually on the 4-hour, the 4-hour has actually closed above already. Holy shit. So we had some 4-hour resistance, you can see there. Let's write this one on. So yeah, I used blue for 4-hour, yellow for 5. Sorry, yellow for daily. So yeah, we've already closed above on the 4-hour, so that's going to be interesting. Making a lower wick right now. And yeah, we'll have to see. On the lower time frames, you can start to maybe make this a little bit easier. So yeah, now you can see we've just rejected on the high. So I'm just going to change this now just to a normal line. What color could I use for a normal line? I don't really like black. Yeah, I'll do a color like this. So yeah, on the hourly time, just made it a little bit easier to see. You can see the resistance is there. Yeah, the 4 hour has closed above. However, you can see in the lower time frames and the hourly, it's just rejected the previous level. So the zone that you're playing in right now is this zone, right? The zone is 70 pips at the moment. 70 pips. Okay, you can see our target line, which is up here. This is the area we want to take positions up to. But again, you know, some sort of retracement would be nice for me. Some sort of bearish movement down, making some support, and then maybe closing back above and then pushing. For me, that's probably what I'm going to look for. Okay, so something like this. I mean, for me, you're taking the sells here is just not. There's you know, the retest realistically is down here. Okay, which is ages away. Do I think we're going to retest all the way down there for them to push? No, I think it's going to be, you know, a low wick, get some liquidity, push it to, you know, these sort of areas, and then we get the push throughout the day. You can maybe get the closure back in the zone with stop loss like there, get the push back up to the high, and then maybe leave a runner to continue. So to wait for that, I think is probably going to be the easiest trade for the day. Again, for me here, I think I said this yesterday, I actually don't like this. And again, it depends on how you trade, but for me, you know, I just want to take my 10, 20 pips every single day, if I can, for Goldie, right? So I don't care this running off fucking 300 pips. I talked about this in my Instagram video, okay? I don't care this running off 1,000,000 pips, okay? I'm not going to take most of it anyway, because the left hand side was so hard to see in terms of like next resistance. It's just a fucking bare zone. So I don't really mind about, you know, these pushes. I don't actually like it because there's no structure now. There's no supports, so you just got to wait a little bit longer for them to be made, okay? So I really want this to do just drive down, and then if you close back above into the zone again, then that'll be a fake out continuing. So something like this it would be fascinating. So let's just say this candle here comes down. You could potentially look, maybe if it makes a big top wick here like this, you'd have to be very, very cautious. But if it makes a top wick, breaks the low, you can maybe get a little bit of a push back down. Okay. Again, that'd be very, very counter trend though, which I wouldn't really want. And then what you hopefully start to see is maybe some bullish engulfings. And then when it comes to the highs here, you could potentially look, maybe the next candle makes the lower wick and it flips. You can then get the buys from like there, stop loss below, and then run it to the high. Okay, that's for me probably what I'm going to look for today. And depending on how the sells form, we'll see. Again, it's kind of like the same thing that happened here. You know, if the sells kind of if they give me some sort of opportunity, if they give me a nice closure, I could potentially go for it with a smaller stop, but I'm not going to be holding big stops on counter trend trades. Okay. I would like to come down to 2097. Yeah, maybe 2100 as well. Good solid levels. But again, it's hard because if you look to the left hand side, there's just jackal there. There's just nothing here. It's just a straight rejection. So again, I'm not really too set on actual numbers of where, like, if we look down here, when I said gold was gonna, you know, retrace, gonna retest, and then it's gonna continue, the reason I saw that is because we've done it before over here. We did it loads of times. Whereas up here, we have literally no data showing us what happens apart from the fact that it nuts straight back down. Okay, this is the only candle that we have as historical data to back us on our trades. So remember, if this day, this day looks amazing in terms of how much pips you can get if it does push, but in terms of actual trading, and for me, how I trade, Okay, this is not the best day because I only have one candle that I can base this whole day on. Like, I'd rather have like 100 candles that, you know, that shows me a set route that price takes. So I've got to be cautious, and this is why I'm being cautious for today and tomorrow, because I just don't have any data to show me what happens. Okay, apart from the fact it just nutted for like 30, I don't know, like maybe one 30-minute candle, and then came all the way back down and rejected. So it's just how it is. Okay. But once you have comfort in that, and once you're happy with that, then man, these days are chill. You just have a nice relaxing holiday, watch everyone else take big trades. But man, once the day starts slowing and you can get your 10, 20, 30 pips again, and people are pissed off they can't get 100 pips anymore, that's when they lose their account. I did that Instagram reel about it. I'll post it in the chat if you guys haven't seen, but it is good. Why is Luke the Nuke on my fucking thing? Luke the Nuke. Yeah, this one here. Make sure to go check it out. It's... Put it in the chat here. Can you break down GJ? Yeah, we sure will. Yeah, people who want to come in the Zoom as well, I'll invite you in a second. I'm just going to finish analysis, and then as long as everyone knows the score. So yeah, really here, waiting for retracement. So yeah, the only way you'd want to take sales, man, if you're just making really big rejection top wicks to continue down. Okay. Caitlin, can you close the door, please? Thank you. So let's take a look at GJ. Let's take a look at GJ. One second, just seeing how this live stream is looking on TikTok. One second, just seeing how this live stream is looking on TikTok. Ah, cool. Cool. Okay. So yeah, let's get into GJ. Again, we have a little bit of news for pound 930. So do remember that. Don't get rushed into it. But yeah, we should be hunky dory. Apart from that, which is fine. So let's take a look then at the monthly. So the monthly candle. So let's take a look at GJ, right? So yeah, let's do kind of a big breakdown on GJ because I haven't actually done one yet. So GJ over here, you can see we had some sort of support 178.0450 around here. See, it kind of pulled down a little bit further, but for the most part, the recent level is right here. Okay, and then we did have some sort of resistance, which was here, right? So can you see that? Okay, just like you would be marking on any other chart. Okay, this is kind of what we're looking like on the monthly time frame. Okay, so what have we done? Well, we've closed above, right? This monthly candle has closed above. Now, from the left hand side, okay, what happens when we close above? Well, this is much easier to do analysis from than gold because gold is fucking chocked at the moment in terms of just structure. Well, you can see here, this candle closed above, and then we pushed all the way up to here. Okay, so we can make a fair statement that because we close above here, we should at some point in this month probably drive to this level because it's done it before. Okay. So once you base your analysis on statistics in terms of like looking to the candles to the left, it makes it a little bit easier. Let's take a look and see if anything happened earlier on. Yeah, this is horrendous. 2003's price action was nasty. So yeah, kind of the only area, which is fine. Okay. So beautiful. So now we've got our kind of confluence for the month. Okay. GJ should at some point. Okay. It should make a lower wick first of all. So that's the next thing I was going to say. The monthly candle has no lower wick. So realistically, the monthly is going to make a lower wick, isn't it? I mean, let's take a look and see. Can you see any candles that have no lower wicks or no top wicks? I mean, there's still one there. There's still a little nipple there. That one doesn't have one. But for the most part, you can see, right? Think about it. Think about everything that you're doing on trading statistically, right? Okay. If I can see how many candles in here, if I see 100 candles here, right, and 98 or 99 have top wicks, okay, and they have bottom wicks, okay, then I can make a fair assumption with this hypothesis and analysis that this candle is most likely 99% of the time going to make a bottom wick. So that's fine. That's good for me. I know that at some point, so now I've got 2 data sets now. Okay, I know that at some point we're going to make a lower wick in this monthly candle here. And I know that at some point this month we're probably going to drive to here pretty well because we've got data showing that it does. So there we go. We've already, you know, kind of looking at analysis in a different way in terms of just looking at the candles to the left, what's happened before, what do we potentially going to have this month. Now this doesn't help us execute a trade for the day because obviously this is the monthly time frame, it's a little bit too high, but it just gives you kind of a brief overview of, right, okay, yes, we're bullish, but we do expect some sort of bearish movement sometime this month because we need that lower wick, and probably going to go retest 187472. Okay, so beautiful. Let's move to the lower time frames. Let's go to the weekly here. I need to start this weekly. There we go. So how is the weekly looking? So the weekly again, I mean, you know, let me put this on here. There's maybe a little bit of resistance. You can see here there's a resistance, there's a support. Does that match up with ours? Yeah, it kind of does at the moment. Already closed above. That's great. So even more confirmation. So yeah, beautiful. Again, kind of the same thing. Okay. If we look to the left hand side, oh shit. If we look to the left hand side, what has happened before? So we had a little bit of a rejection here, which we've already closed above. But apart from that, now we should get a stinking push to 193.07. Now, the difference is here is that, can you see in this area that we are trading in now, which is right here, if you see this line, that's where we are right now. Look what's happened with these trades. You can see that we've made lower wicks. We've retested. This one here pulled all the way down, back down. Okay. So knowing this, it makes quite big lower wicks to go retest 187629. If we look at ours, yeah, it's kind of done that as well, which is not bad. However, I do think this monthly does need to make a lower wick. So potentially maybe continuing down and then coming back up. So not bad, not bad. I just need a bit more of the wicks here in this area to pull down to here. Okay, to give me that liquidity, to give me that volume to then push. Okay, good stuff. Obviously, if you break the previous weekly high, that's going to be quite a big sign for it to continue as well. So that's something to look for. So, okay, so now we're starting to see, you know, where's my area that I want to take trades? Well, for me, it's probably going to be in here, right? Once we get going, once you know, do its malarkey in here, we're probably going to get quite a nice push to the highs in this area. So now I'm starting to find my target zone that I want to take trades, right? Okay, so let's go to the daily time frame and start to maybe make things a little bit easier. Okay, so the daily, the last 2 candles are closed very, very bullish, which is nice. Now, the only issue here is that we haven't closed above, which is fine. Current resistance. Left hand side, there's a little bit of resistance here, but this is 2015, so it's not really too bothering in terms of getting into the details of it. It's just the fact that we did get that push. So I would start to focus on this now. So look at the daily time frame. Oh shit. Look at the daily time frame. What do we have here? So now we can start. I'm just gonna get rid of this because it's kind of the same thing. It's support, whatever. Because you can use it for the daily now. So the daily has a resistance, right? 191080 psychological level. Okay. Now, what you can see here is the daily has not closed above. Okay, the daily has not closed above. So we don't know. We don't have confirmation on the daily time frame yet that we're going to push. However, if this next daily candle makes a lower wick, closes above, then that'll be your confirmation for tomorrow to start looking for these damn buys and starting to get these buys up. So that would be hunky-dory, okay? But right now we have a resistance, we have a support on the daily, which is, you know, right around these areas here. Okay. Like this. So now you're in a little bit of a zone. You've got a zone over here. Now, you've obviously been looking for buys the whole time. You do know on the higher time frames that you need to make a lower wick on the weekly, so it could pull down the next couple of days. However, for the most part, you are set. You're ready to take trades. Let's go into the lower time frames. Let's take a look at the 4 hours now. And yeah, you have your range. Now, you can see there's maybe a little bit smaller supports. This gets a little bit choppy in here. But for the most part, what I would be looking for is definitely the buys above. Okay, so because you know, we've done that whole analysis, so I'd probably do something like this, make this a little bit tighter. Yeah, make this a little bit above this level here. And yeah, buys above 191,280 look good. Now you have to go back in time, which is still quite far away. So it's kind of the same as gold, in fact that the date is so far away. Yeah, it's quite hard. I'd have to buy, if I wanted to get in that trade, I'd have to buy trade in view to look back and see where there was potential pushes. Okay, so we've got everything. The only thing that we don't have now is when we do get into a trade, if it does close above. Okay, so let's just say on the 30 it closed above. How do we potentially, where do we run it to? 192 psychological level would be nice, but again, you know, you just take your pips off and dip. But yeah, that's kind of it. So hope that, guys, makes sense. Hope that makes sense for you guys. But yeah, just do that from high time to lower time frame. Go through every single thing, and you kind of start to make the picture. Let's take a look at the chat. Let me put that maybe a bit lower like that. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. Let's take a look here. So I also don't like the structure too, so I decided to lower my risk. Very good. Yeah. If there's no structure, it does make it a little bit harder. Can you take a look at my chart? Sure thing. Let's take a look. Let's take a look, EG. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed that analysis, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, that's what I'm focusing on now. Really focusing on the in-depth analysis. Because before I was kind of so engrossed in the lower time frames that actually you forget really what happened. Ooh, okay. Okay, I have a doubt in your Friday gold sell trade. I can understand this is a simple breakout trade, but I have two more doubts. You took sales at a fifth candle, so how you trusted this fifth candle also moving down without a retest? Why didn't you wait for a retest or a new resistance to form? Okay, beautiful. So this is good. So the reason why I took that trade was there's loads of things. You got to go back on the recap to really see. But for the most part, it comes from this, right? So if you look at the left hand side, the first thing that you'll see is, right, what happened last time we started pushing bullish, right? Which we knew we were going to do it that day because the daily closed bullish. Okay, well, look to the left hand side. This candle here. Okay, 1 second. This candle here pushed up just like this one did. Okay, pushed up. Then when we came back down, we had to come back down first to get the retest to then continue bullish. The retest was, you know, here. Okay? A little bit lower, sorry, like there. Okay? So from that basis, and also it was loads of times. I think it's done it numerous times. Like here, yeah. You see, pushed up, retest, push up. Okay? So it happened a lot of times where price pushes up, needs to come and retrace to get the liquidity to then continue bullish. So that was one of the things. The next thing was that if you actually draw a line at, so let me just draw a line actually at this level, which is, you know, 2040. Okay, this is on the 4 hour time frame, but let me just bring this all the way along. So like right around here. Anywhere in this zone, like here. Okay, if we go through you can see there is an absolutely huge level that price holds, okay? If I keep on going. Oh shit, so you can see there's loads there. Let's go along, you can see major zone, major zone, major zone, major zone, major zone, major zone, major zone. Okay, so it's a very strong level. So when I started to see the bearish coming, okay, when I started to see it coming, which was, you know, starting to be around here, rejecting. You know, I don't care about the fact that it already had X amount of candles. Okay, I don't care about that, because once you start doing that, you're just guessing. You're like, oh, this is the 5th candle. It's already pushed a lot. Like, you know, what the 6th might not be. For me, it's just looking at the left hand side. Every single time we close below this level, 2043. Okay, so 2043. Let me go further. Yeah, so every single time we close below 2043, you can see here, this candle closed below. We drive to 2040. We drive to the new level. You can see here, there's not one time we don't just go and tap 2040, okay? So when we come down from a certain level, okay, with a confirmation of a closure, exactly, but for the most part, it's when we do reject, okay, we come and rest, we come and push to 2040. You can see here we push to 2040, push to 2040, push to 2040. Every single time. We don't miss it once, okay? Here it was very close, but you get my point, right? So if I know that price is very likely going to go tap the very strong support that we have, a very strong level that price loves to hold, with also a closure below, and the left hand side showing me that every single time we close below, you know, these levels, we do push to 2040. I'm going to take my trade. Now, you can, if you actually watch the stream, okay, when I got into this trade here, okay, first of all, I didn't have a stop like up here because that was silly, because if it does reject and maybe it doesn't tap 2040 this time miraculously, then I've got to manage. However, once we started pushing, so once we started pushing bearish, I went break even pretty quick. If you actually watch in here, it's like there, okay? Because we're coming towards 2040, and this is when we could have some issues. However, I knew we were going to get some sort of push to this level, because we do every single time. And that is where my analysis is based off, okay? So, the thing that I've been really focusing on the past couple months or whatever is the fact that, you know, strategies change, you know, all these setups like, oh, closure above, or, I don't know, fake out, or, I don't know, you know, hits this line and whatever. That's all fugazi. All it is just following price to the left hand side. So for me, it's not making a word on it, and it also gives me clarity in the fact that I'm just watching the candles to the left hand side and seeing exactly what they do, which is what I did at the start. It's just sometimes when you've got so much work to do, you get blindsided in what you actually used to do. I watched some of my old streams, I'm like, fucking hell, that was great. Why the fuck did I change on that? And it's loads of circumstances why I changed it, but anyway, we've got a good thing now. But yeah, and there we go, Bob's your uncle. So now you're kind of set for the day. This GJ is coming down now. You know, we wanted buys, right? But we do know that we want this to make a lower wick. So this is great news. I actually don't like this. If you look here, I don't really like the lower time frames. Obviously here you can see there's some support here, 193.92. But for the most part, I mean, all I'm gonna do is have an alert like there and just wait for a buy. But to be honest with you, I haven't backtested GJ yet. So I backtested gold all, you know, the last couple of months, but I haven't backtested GJ, so we'll have to do that. Right, I'm gonna get the Zoom squad in 1 second to see if Elohe and them are about. See, but yeah, I've done my analysis, guys. Hope you guys have done well. Make sure to like and subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, we are 50 minutes off London. I'm gonna go say goodbye to Caitlin. Right. Zoom link. Right, 2 minutes. 1 second.
Wagwan.
Sheesh! Kika!
Okay.
Hello, hello. How you
Long,
doing?
long time no speak, you know, my friend.
I know. How you
Fucking
doing?
been up to?
Man, I mean, fucking busy, busy boy. How are you, man? I've seen you gymming still.
I can't speak for long because I don't have the freedom I used to have, but
Why? What happened?
now I don't have that same office anymore, man.
Ah, fuck, man.
Yeah, man, they fucking moved me to a different place.
That's annoying.
Fucking shit,
You just
man.
saved them 600 grand and then they fucked you.
Yeah, cunts. But yeah, we out here. Where's my uncle? I just saw him now.
Yeah, he was here.
I'm going to Portugal in like a couple of days.
Oh my god, I need some sun, bro.
Bro, you just came back, man.
Who,
You
me?
were just on holiday.
When?
I swear you were on holiday, like, oh, you went on a skiing holiday.
Yeah. Mm.
Yeah,
Yeah, there wasn't much sun there actually. It was pretty poor. It was good though, eh?
Oh, Max, I need to tell you about Brazil. I didn't even tell you.
How was it?
Bro.
What was the weather like over there? Is it just roasting?
Just fucking.
Tell the truth, tell the truth. It's too much for you people.
¿Qué lo que, mi hermano? ¿Cómo estás?
So fucking sick, bro.
You're sick?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Hey, hello, I'm gonna be in Portugal in a couple of days.
Okay, let me know.
Yeah? Where you at in Porto?
Yeah, just call me. I send you the chopper.
I sent you the chopper.
Okay.
Oh shit. That's why. Yeah.
Until security is good.
Get to the chopper!
Exactly. Well, if I'm with my uncle, I expect a chopper because gold has been bullish for
Yeah, and
so
Eloy's
long.
been on buys for fucking 3 months.
Bro, that chat was literally just those two dickheads flirting.
Yeah, I
And
know.
hello is 600 pips. Guys, I told you. Bye.
Look, anyone in the chat can tell you that can make money in this chat, bro.
Mm-hmm.
I'm calling out guys for.
If someone tell you that, man, change. Don't go to forex. Do other things.
Oh my god, Brian's here.
Fuck's sake.
Oh,
You South African.
you big pussies.
Fuck
Hello!
off.
How's it going?
Good man, how are you?
Yeah, man, I can't complain.
Can't complain? You ready for your little trip to...
Been living the fucking dream, boy. Living the fucking dream. Trade gold properly. Live the dream, boy.
You trading gold properly?
We're trying. You
Mm,
know, try. You know what I mean?
exactly.
How's things otherwise? You're right.
Yeah, man. Good.
Good. Lovely.
Being good.
Yeah. Getting all my visa stuff ready for this fucking London trip. Such a shit. Fuck. So much paperwork. Jesus.
Really?
Bro, I think just to apply for a visa,
Uh-huh.
we open this file. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14,
It's
16.
crazy that they don't let you in, but they let
19
all the new immigrants in.
19 documents I've already sorted to.
What?
100%. Fuck.
Fucking hell. What are they asking you about? Like, just why you
Because they don't
coming?
want you to return. They don't want you to stay there. You know what I mean? 'Cause
Yeah.
They don't actually want us there. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Wow.
And it's
They're
a
probably
fucking shithole
taking.
anyway.
They're probably asking if it still takes Asian sweeps.
Well, this just happen when you don't have a hair, you know? This happen a lot.
I don't need hair, mate. It's a lifestyle. It's a lifestyle.
Love you, buddy.
Like Buddha. Everyone loves to rub a Buddha, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Even Kiko in Brazil.
Man, Kiko found a boyfriend in Brazil.
Yeah, the
What
old
is
dog.
this?
Huh?
What
Big
is
dog.
this? I'm not gonna lie, yeah, I thought about staying there, to be honest.
How's your gag reflex? Is it okay?
Kiko.
What? What did he say?
Kiko. Quantas gatinhas pegaste lá?
Mano, 19, não te vou mentir.
Look, 19?
Yeah, bro. It was
Yeah,
like, I was there 25 days.
That's a good number. I like it. I believe you.
Was he 19, Kiko?
Yeah, he take 19 tell difference.
Whoa, don't get Max banned off YouTube, please.
19 in 1 month?
Bro, it was ridiculous. I've never seen
I
anything
know.
like this.
You don't need to speak. Just watch me.
I literally 3 times I didn't speak. I just looked.
It's 19% is visual contact. You have a visual contact and you shake
Bro.
and moving good.
Hey, and imagine
have a big
this,
wallet.
For €3, I could literally go to a buffet and just eat whatever I want.
Ooh.
Your
Barbecue
voice sounds
food.
different as well, Kiko. Is it okay?
Huh?
Your voice sounds different.
Yeah, it
Yeah, I got
does.
the AirPods Max.
He's
I thought it was from Dick.
Brian bought it for me.
I thought it was from Dick.
Oh my days. Bro, I swear the one paddling all day long, man. That's pretty much gay. Real man play tennis.
Padel. I want to play that. I think there's one in. Is there one in Leeds nearby?
Bro, Max, I swear you were gonna come Amsterdam. You never came, man.
But I'm coming. I am actually coming. I'm coming in. I think it's September.
Paddle's great, Max. You must play it.
Yeah, I've played it
Bro,
before.
it's
I played it
actually
on holiday.
it's so much fun.
I just don't really know the rules. There's some rules that like when you serve, like I used to, because me and my dad used to play on
Just
holiday,
diagonal
right?
serve.
But is this allowed, right? Let me just fucking
No, this one is
Right.
you need to serve on underhand. So you can't serve like tennis.
Wait for his question. Fucker.
Oh right, okay. So yeah, I used to serve like this, and then whack
this is
it
tennis,
there, and then it bounce off that wall and just fucks them. Like if you just hit it right fucking there, are you allowed to do that or not?
No, you have to underhand it. For the serve.
Underhand serve.
Okay.
And you can't bounce above your hip when you serve.
Okay.
That's a sick game. I love it. I play it a lot.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a lot quicker. It's just reaction time. It's fun as fuck.
Yeah.
And it's like it's very small, so it's so quick with 2 people.
When I was in
In the estate. We've got our own court in the estate. We've got a home one.
That's sick.
That's rad.
Okay, you rich fuck. We're trying to flex.
Bro, have you moved, Bri?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
There's lots changing on my side of the world, bro.
Brian sent me a photo of that court, bro. It looks so nice. I'll just be outside between London and New York.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start traveling a lot more, probably from the middle of this year, and I'm gonna start traveling a lot now.
Yeah, I'm surprised. I did think why you guys haven't, like, bro. I'd be off.
Yeah, I'm gonna start traveling a lot more now.
Is your missus retired yet?
No, bro, she's gonna carry on. She can't stop working, bro. She's a workaholic. She's not gonna be able to sit still, man. It is what it is. We've come to terms with it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So you're gonna go traveling and leave.
I'm gonna go fucking traveling. Listen, I'm leaving this date and I'll be back in a month's time. See ya.
Bye. This is great.
Brian, I can expect you to come by over here. Or not?
I'm gonna go to a couple of places. I'll travel 2 or 3 times this year already.
He's definitely going to fucking Romania. Whatever that bitch is.
Got me a new fucking tattoo on the arm.
What tattoo is it? Let me judge it.
Let me get a proper fucking pic.
This guy probably got GJ tattooed on his. Sorry.
Nah, fuck GJ.
GJ has become fucking hard to trade. I won't lie.
Yeah.
Very hard. Very hard.
I'm gonna back
Somebody
test
traded all the time. It's very hard to trade, bro.
Yeah.
Did you end up doing a job, Max?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah?
Yep.
It was really a thing.
No, I'm still doing it, mate.
Yeah?
Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
nice.
I've literally, I'll be on like at 9.
Oh, nice. Oh, you come work from home?
Are you what? I'm working from home. Yeah, today. The days that I stream, I'm working from home. I've got fucking presentations to do. I've got contractors in. Man, I'm doing so much shit. But do you know what? It's actually the things that you don't even realize about it as well. Like being a business analyst as well. Like learning how to make a business better. Every single fucking time I'm learning something, I'm like, oh my god, I can do that for mine, like my business. So I'm literally like writing down all the skills and learning them all, and go, oh fuck, let me just try that at home. So that
I haven't taken more pics. I only had the tattoo done on Sunday. I sent it to you yesterday.
Why is the band purple? Right.
Because I haven't.
Because it's the ink of the thing.
Okay.
Well,
Is that
you
finished?
make this tattoo, Kiko?
No, it's not finished.
Oh, I was thinking, fuck me.
No, bro, it's not finished. So you can't know.
What leaf is it?
It's like just a whole bunch of like flowers and shit, bro.
Jeez, that's zesty.
This tattoo coming with the ice cream, no?
Ice cream. Should be fucking ice cream, bro.
Yeah, you buy the ice
Do
cream.
you guys remember those tattoos that
Kind-
you'd get with like some sandwiches? In Portugal they do that. You buy a
Exactly.
bulicao.
Thank you, Kiko.
Oh, I thought you were
Thank
talking
you.
about those henna tattoos that you've got.
Huh?
Those henna tattoos that you've got.
Henna tattoo.
Yeah,
I can't put my camera on, man.
Where's Kiko? Oh my god. Why the fuck did you get that? You guys have got some fucking weird side. Hey, look here. Why did you get that tattoo? That literally looks like the skull on Harry Potter when fucking Voldemort
In a way,
comes
it
in.
does not make sense, bro. Look at that fucking piece of shit.
That's
I
scary.
take in Tahiti.
Tahiti. Oh, okay. You're in the mountains. You're ayahuasca.
Ayahuasca.
No, really, because I surf a big wave up there with the name is como é que se diz crânio quebrado, Kiko? Oh no, I can't listen. When it's called crane, we broke it.
Skull breaker or something.
Exactly, and I tattooed the same name with a
Okay, that's sick. The surfing. I wouldn't know what to get, man, and I think our mum's in the chat. She'll
Gotta think about it for a long time, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, yes.
I think this guy is rolling a fucking big joint again.
Produce at work.
Oh, no, it's a pen.
You guys see me or not?
Yeah,
you look like you're getting fat, man. Have you not been gymming?
No, he's going to
Same, fam.
Brazil. Well, he going to Brazil. He only
They get all that fucking water
Gym
retention from Dina balls and shit.
just Red Bull with whiskey. He drink whiskey with Red Bull now. He going to São Paulo.
You know what they do? You know what they do in Brazil? That was insane. They do like cocos water ice on your drink, on the whiskey, bro. It's so nice.
Yeah, that happen when you don't know how to drink whiskey, you know.
Man, I've been.
Apologies.
To be fair, I forget. I'm not drinking no
I'm
more,
just
bruh.
playing with you,
I've only
Keith.
done a month.
It's
Month
good,
no
man.
drinking. It feels amazing.
I drink now on
Look.
the odd occasion. Like, really.
Look, guys, look.
Yeah. just like
0%.
starting-
Jeez. 0%. Okay.
Yeah, but you fucking smoke more tree than the fucking Himalayas, my man. You know what I mean?
Okay, no, exactly, man. Just get.
You know,
Nah,
I
that's
listen
better
some
than drinking,
jellos.
bruh.
I listen some jellos up there.
So yeah, London Open, Goldie is just an arrange. I'm not gonna lie, I fucking hate these days in terms
Man,
of
fuck off, gold. I don't want to see more gold.
it just needs some sort of retracement, and also the left hand side has literally no data to do anything.
Wait, let me show you guys where I'm at right now. Wait, I can't see myself, but how do I turn this fucking camera? Okay, can you see the other way?
Yeah.
Okay, so kind of here now, and this is like
Oh.
where they make everything.
Why are you in a room by yourself every single time? Are you like a hazard? Why is there no
Yeah,
one else
exactly.
with you? Why is there no one else
Yeah.
with you?
So that's what they do with the interns.
I'm just the first one in. That's it.
First one in is a fucking 9 there, bro. These guys are slacking.
You looking like a boss over there, man. The best seat, the best table. What's wrong, man?
Because I guess you man don't know who I am. I'm Mr. Finances now.
I mean, after saving that money, you're looking at the numbers, bruh.
Exactly.
But even is talking.
Try to find the money that I spend in beaches.
Yo, hey, when I was in Brazil, Eloy, do you know Scandalo?
Yeah, I know.
Bro,
Yeah, I know.
they took me to the. I was with my friend. His dad is like the general of police in São Paulo. He took me to this whorehouse, bro.
Oh my god.
It was the craziest thing ever. It was the craziest night I've ever had.
Bro,
First
you're
of all, I
single.
You
You
don't,
get water.
you don't run away.
In that place. Hi, Rico.
Bro,
You don't run
imagine,
away.
imagine I go into his car. It's like a bulletproof car, and then he puts like this M16 on my lap, and then just has 2 guns. Bro, he was fucking crazy, man. He takes me to this whorehouse. I walked in, bro. It was 90% woman, and they were all like 9s and 10s. I was literally in dreamland.
9s and 10s in the dark, mate. And you think that
Listen, Brian, you'd have lost yourself then, mate. You'd be like, what the fuck? And it's just politicians and rich people there, bro. It was insane.
What the fuck
Yeah,
you doing?
just the thief ones.
Bro, all the security guards were like these massive guys, and they were just all shaking my hand because I was with this police guy.
Yeah,
And he's
it's
just
good.
wearing
It's
his-
good, you know,
he's
to
wearing
make
his-
it work.
With somebody
Yeah.
with a city cap.
Huh?
With
You
somebody with
enjoy
a
São Paulo, motherfucker.
Bro, São Paulo is
I-
insane.
I-
I didn't have time to go Rio. I wanted to go Rio as well.
I tell you, you wanna have the best trip of your life.
Yeah, man, it was the craziest trip of my life. Man.
Oh,
Like,
look, but crazy street too, no?
yeah, man, I didn't walk outside. I was just always with my friends and just in
Yeah,
Ubers.
too many crazy people, man.
Exactly. And everything's so
People-
cheap, man. You just take Uber for like €3, like for 20-minute ride. Like, bro.
Brother, tu
Just-
compras rim por 10 mil real.
Exactly. Actually,
you buy an organ for fucking 2,000 euros, bro. What do you want to think, you know, about
bro, my
São Paulo?
Airbnb was €20 a day. And it was just like a really nice place as well.
We need to bring Brian and Max up there.
Yeah,
See
Brian,
what's happening.
let's go there, man. Let's go.
I'm fucking not going to whoever you guys talked about.
What the
What,
fuck?
you scary? You scary, Max, to going to Rio with me?
You gotta
Bro, sometimes you gotta take risks, man. You're just gonna sit there in your chair, man.
Some
Let's
guys
go
just
Brazil.
twos look
Let's
like
go
10 in the
Brazil.
dark, bro.
You know, guys, I have a many house in Florianopolis, no? You guys need to organize and let's go, man.
Brazil
Oh my
looks
God,
fucking wild. I'm not going
I
there.
heard a lot about Florianopolis.
Florianopolis is the best place in Brazil, you know? It's safety. It's no gangster shit. It's just pretty women and pretty people on the beach.
I also went to the most beautiful beach I've ever seen. Like I understand why everyone surfs there because the waves just like tunnel so nice. Like it's insane. I went to Igarata.
Uh-huh.
Hello, do you know Igarata?
Yeah.
Cells, man.
Bro.
Huh, bro?
They're looking for cells.
Nah, I mean, if we reject here, if we reject again, then close below. I think I might take 10, 20 pips to 2,100.
I think the world of trading will want that retracement, but I don't think it's gonna happen.
Yeah.
Ah, but this retracement is not very safe.
No,
Maybe only
it's only safe for me when it rejects it. Like it comes up here, rejects, then closes below. So if it just came now,
if you get a decent fake out at the top, then
yeah,
fine.
yeah.
But, I mean, I want a strong fake, and I want a big fake.
Yeah. I want something like this, like.
I want to
I mean,
15, 20 fake out to the top.
Yeah, and then obviously close it back like this.
They'll teach you that at Capital Hungry, Kika. on the 1 minute time.
One.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I've learned so much in terms of just economics and interest rates and all those things, man. It's insane, man.
He's very fundamental driven. It's good.
Yeah, man. It actually kind of changed my whole perspective on everything. Like,
Yeah, but that's it. You keep learning that. If you're willing to keep learning, it's fine.
Exactly. I also just finished this book, The Lords of Easy Money, which is about the Fed. Bro, very interesting. And literally, you understand why everything happened in the crash of 2008 and how these fuckers literally know exactly what they're doing.
Yeah, but they do it on purpose, man.
Yeah, man. They do it. And they just create these asset bubbles, and the big players actually just sort of take advantage of those things. It's insane, man.
Are you still part of it? Are you still part of it, or are you done?
Yeah, man. No, I'm still part of it. It's like 110 euros, 100 euros.
I don't care for the bucks, but I know it's very, very, very fun. It's amazing.
Plus, it's also, there's like no posting trades in the chat, which I think is also really, it's just discussions. Anyone that posts a trade in the chat, they just smoke him. They just roast the living shit out of him. They're like, bro, you're trying to show off, man. Everyone here trades well. So there's less FOMO created through that as well, which is actually quite a good thing.
Fucking hell, that's what I should have done. I should just made a group chat, just talk about fucking economics for like 3 hours and just don't trade. Come on, guys, use your information wisely. Take them trades.
Yeah, but Jeevan is very strict, eh?
Yeah, man, he takes no shit from no one, man. I'm not gonna lie, he's harsh. Like, he'll just roast the living shit out of you if you don't tell.
It's just trading or travel. Oscar D is getting pissed off in the chat. Now, Oscar, go back at the start if you want the analysis stuff.
Oscar, take a buy on gold now.
This day is a little bit slower because we're just right at the highs. You know, we moved so much with gold that it's
Josh, you can mute the chat. Who the fuck do you think he is?
Bro, this is a reunion, man. This is like a random time reunion.
Where's Jason at, bruh?
Jason's very busy at work. We hardly chat there.
Ah.
Very little. He's very busy at work.
Yeah. Super busy.
Still trading, like on and off, but
I'd
say his trading is stalled. He needs to put in hours, man, to break the next hurdle. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
His trading is hurdles. There's tons of it. You got to constantly push. So it's
SP, is that Sachin?
No, I don't know. I don't think so.
Sachin Patel?
Could be.
It could be. I'm just thinking. Yeah, and for me, that's how you would say. Bye, I love you. Have a great day. I cannot wait.
I've heard that in so long.
I know.
I remember you hearing that every morning. Bye.
Bye. Have a great time. Yeah, it is Sachin. Hello.
The king.
Hello, Sash.
King.
Deja vu. Let's see then, we're coming up here. Obviously the flower did close above, but again, it's for me, I need some sort of retracement. For me these days are just whatever. If I'm basing my whole situation on the left hand side and we have literally one candle from like 2015 that's pushed up. Sorry, it wasn't 2015, it was 2023. It's very hard to base a full analysis that you can take a trade on when the left hand side is literally only one candle that spiked to 2,147 and back down. There's nothing much really you could do about it.
Yeah.
That's why here I liked it much more because we had the resistances, we had the levels that we had to go retest, and down here as well. This was nice. I love this day. When this daily closed above this resistance. See left hand side here. For me, that was the day that I want to take. This candle closing above all this Fugazi. Then we should drive, low wick, flip, drive to there.
Eco, are you also only trading gold now? Or?
No, GJ and gold.
Okay.
Yeah. Basically, so the idea that they kind of they explain to you is, though, looks like gold, it will push up though. But the idea is, so Japan has negative interest rates due to they don't want to make the yen that strong because it will have impact on their import and export business, which is most of their growth.
100%.
So they're having a lot of big problems in stimulating growth in the economy. That's why they keep the interest rates low. And the UK has actually been seeing still high inflation. So they're looking to keep interest rates up. And that's why you kind of just see this. But one thing they've been speaking about in the group is that at some point we're going to have the switch around, so that when the UK is going to be cutting rates, and the Bank of Japan will be increasing rates, and then you're going to get a huge bearish move over literally a year.
Have we not? Has pound not decreased them at all recently?
You guys haven't had yet, no.
Ah, fuck. When was the last time we put them out?
UK went into a recession like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah. But I know interest rates have been falling for houses, so I assume that they've been putting the rates down a little bit.
No, they haven't changed anything.
So what are the rates right now?
I think they're 5. One second. I just saw it here. It's 5.25.
Yeah, okay, that's fucking it's a little bit shit.
And something that's also interesting is that what you're seeing on gold lately is also a lot of greed in the stock market. Because we've been seeing gold in the stock market extremely bullish, while the Fed has been saying they're not going to be cutting rates. So it's a quite interesting concept because there's a lot of greed, and everyone just wants to pump the stock market and gold up as much as possible.
But like, for me, what I'm finding quite odd is that gold is pumping, Bitcoin is pumping, which tends to be right now the two safe havens where you're worried for the stock market. Yeah. So it looks like there's some worrying factors going on. The fact that gold and Bitcoin are both pumping up.
Yeah, and also one thing that was also discussed in the group is that this gold move up from I think last week Friday, there wasn't really a catalyst for it. We just started pumping up, so it was quite a weird.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Normally you see a move like this when fucking when Russia fucking nukes someone or something and there was just nothing there. Damn.
No. Nothing happened as well. It was pretty weird.
Yeah. That is pretty wild.
Bitcoin has been pretty insane. I don't know. Do you still have any crypto, Mike?
I have a little bit of Bitcoin. I always have a bit of Bitcoin because for me it's the only logical one that's just there's only a finite amount of them. And people are holding their money in it, so it's just like putting it in a bank. So yeah, I'll have a bit of Bitcoin, but all the other stuff, unless it gets, I feel if it was actually a usable thing like Ethereum or something, the government are just gonna fucking take it all away. So I don't know. I don't get the rest. But the Bitcoin one, it's kind of separate, even though it has no exact intrinsic value because it doesn't provide anything. The only thing it provides is safety, and obviously has a limited amount. That's why I quite like it. But I've always said that the crypto stuff. I mean, it's just business, right? If the thing isn't giving you isn't making any value, it isn't worth anything apart from the fact if it can hold and store value. So if it can't make the value, can it store it? And if it can't do both of them things, then it's fucking useless. Like for example, CryptoPunks. How did anyone think that was going to be a fucking good idea? That you have a picture on your phone and it's going to cost tons of money. It's all hype, right? You know what I mean? Yeah, the NFTs. It's
yeah, that was really. So
you have to get bigger. Are you go to the gym, Bri? See you later, Bri. I think he's gone. I can't wait to go to the gym. I might go at lunchtime, maybe.
Well, I did big kg incline yesterday.
36? That's not bad. It's not bad. I think I could do 42s.
Hey guys, tell me.
Yeah, bro.
Tell me what you think about gold. If you guys think the gold go a other level,
the only next level is 2,148, which is fucking $30 away. There's no other level.
That's what they say the other day, you know.
Yeah, it's really hard, man. I need structure. I'd much rather
but it's not that's not the question that I asked.
Okay.
I asked you the final up that I see is 2142, you know, and it's
How do you
Okay,
see?
let me give you guys
400 pips.
let me give you guys an idea. Look at
But the
DXY.
idea is it's possible you know, like a Bitcoin go up like a crazy. For what goal is not possible? Like everybody conspiration favors to the goal.
The thing is with this gold
a
move,
new level like a 21 plus.
this gold move has no bearish dollar underneath it because DXY is literally not
Like a new age, new area. You know.
Well, I mean, yeah, that'd be interesting.
Because you know, for what I believe that, because look, if Bitcoin's like a fly to the sky like 150, you know, where's the wall and the banks can fight with that? Just if you manipulate gold, should go up.
Well, I think it's manipulated. I think it's just generally people are scared of the stock market for some reason, but I don't know why. Why are they scared? Why are they scared, Kiko? I don't like. What,
to be honest with you, I also don't. I can't really explain to you.
like,
But look at DXY, just the dollar index. Bro, dollar has not been moving, so this move on gold is just gold. So there's no dollar thing happening.
It's interesting. Interesting.
Oh my god!
Is it gonna break? No.
You know, for me, gold go up more, like 300 pips.
I agree. I think it's still gonna go.
Yeah.
It's still gonna go up, but I think it needs some sort of retracement, bro.
Maybe he go up like a huge, like I say, 2,140, and he try to go down again like a 21.
We might go down with the NFP just to get or retracement or some type.
Do we have that?
Yeah, end of the week.
Oh, we have job openings tomorrow, Thursday.
I'm an amateur. I don't know about
NFP. Fuck yeah, it's gonna be a big one.
Guys, I have to go.
All good.
Max,
I'll
stay in touch.
Yeah. Stay in touch, brother.
I'll call you when I arrive. Hello.
Okay. Don't be a pussy and just call me when you're coming back home.
No. I'll call you when I arrive. You're far away. You're like 3 hours away.
I sent you a chopper, bro.
Okay.
Right.
I'll come back. Alright, later, guys.
See you later, brother.
Be careful with your clowns in TikTok, Max.
Careful about what?
With your clowns in TikTok.
Why?
Oh, because you have too many fake guys trying to be alive in TikTok. The guys tried to talk with me yesterday like a friend. I say, bro, stop doing this shit. No, we're trying to live in the electronic ones. What's wrong with you?
Yeah, I'm getting that TikTok, man.
Look, but you see how many views the guys have in this video?
On my TikTok, on the guys copied me.
Man, the guys have more views than you, bro.
What the fuck? Really?
Yeah, he have like 21,000, 11,000.
Holy fuck, he does.
30,000 just in the videos.
That motherfucker! What the hell?
Like the guy monetize the TikTok page with your face. That's what I tell. That's what I tell.
Okay,
say, look,
yeah.
You make 2,000 grams.
Do you know how much money you get? Do you know how much money you get paid for TikTok as well? You get tons but you need 10,000 followers.
I know. If you have 10,000 followers and you do the videos
tons.
like he do, you make like a 5,000 just for posting.
Look, This motherfucker. How has he got 20,000 views on that? Look. No way. This motherfucker. Look, look.
Just finished my YouTube live stream trading.
Holy fuck, I look young there.
On London session. Now let's go into the chart and look at where potential trades are very, very hard. Candles are very, very small, showing a potential. You get a support.
What the hell, bruh? 11k, 12k? When did he stop posting this? This is ages ago. This is last year, okay. What the? Look, he got the Lambo video, he got 11k. Mate, it's cause, man, I need to copy this dude's titles. $15k, bro.
Trading here, stop loss above the current candle high.
Damn. Damn. Recession and inflation makes gold happy. Yes. How is everyone today? Very, very good. Hope you guys are doing well. So yeah, this week I'll get some videos posted, but make sure to go follow this. To be fair, the YouTube one, yeah, I'll be doing YouTube shorts, but for the most part, I'm gonna be putting this up. This is 3 weeks ago now, so I've been training for a while. Yeah, I realized like there's no point in me doing a full gym session because it's just like it's boring to watch and like I'm not that interested for it. So I'm gonna do something different, which I've filmed today already. But yeah, I'd say this exercise here, if you guys haven't done it, is absolutely sexual. It is amazing for the stretch of the lats, boy. Doing like probably 40 kg there.
Fucking arms. Look, I love the look. Okay, to be honest with you,
So yeah, make sure to go follow that. Middle East tensions, Russian. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff, isn't it? Oh, we're coming back up. But yeah, man, doing this and the 95 and other stuff, man, my day is rammed. But keeps me busy. I love it. It means at the end of the night I can relax. And tonight it's games night with the boys, so that'll be good. So yeah, if I don't get a trade this morning, we'll probably wait until NY session, late NY, which works well for me now with my work, which is good. And yeah, hopefully doing bits there. So 2,120. See how we do. We've broken the highs. 4 hours looking good to continue, but yeah, it's we'll see. Make sure to give a like, guys, on the stream if you haven't already. Let's try and get it to 50 likes if you can. Has anyone actually taken any trades this morning? I know we haven't really moved much at all. We've got a little bit of a push now, but hasn't been too much yet. And again, we just kind of waiting here for some more structure. Dailies broke previous daily high. What work are you doing now, Max? I'm a business analyst. And I've also got a couple of businesses as well that I'm setting up. But yeah, I've actually lost my diary, so I can't really structure it. But yeah, in the next couple of weeks, you'll see things popping up. No, same story for me every day. Found it really hard to find Sebs, but I wait, continue. Patience and wait. Beautiful, Seb, yeah. Yep. So 30 minutes about to close. Wow, such a strong closure. 70 pip stop. Wish this made more of a low wick and broke these lows. That is my only issue. So 30's closed above. Let's see how low, how big this lower wick is. But yeah, I don't like how we haven't really had any of a breaking of a low, rejection, liquidity to then continue. So we'll see. My strike rate dropping massively when all confidence is on there. Success comes with restriction in this game, in my opinion. 100%, Seb, yeah. 100%. That's what I struggle with the mentorship as well, because you kind of like want to take trades of people and stuff. Sometimes the days that I wouldn't really want to take any, you kind of sometimes skew the bias. Whereas now, for me, I've dropped the price. I don't actually care too much about it, and I'm just gonna forget I even have it and just take my trades like I normally would. It's breaking up. Let's say hypothetically you took this buy here. Okay, paper trade. How would you go about it? So this is my next reason, because you don't have any data. The issue you have with a trade like this is that where do you go break even? There's literally nothing to tell you to go break even. There's no resistance, there's no none. So it's kind of just a guessing game. And realistically here, because you're cautious, you don't have an actual target. So let's just say here, right, this is a paper trade. 1 second. Just to make it just to clarify to people. The issue that I have with trades like this is the fact that, you know, because there's nothing to the left hand side, you don't know when to go break even and you don't know when to close. Let's just say, for example, in a different world, that there was some sort of resistance like here, some sort of like minor resistance here, and then your target was here, okay? If that was the case, then I would be much more thrilled to get in, because you know now that price is most likely going to go and push to here, okay? And when it does push to there, then great, you know what to do. You know you can go break even and Bob's your uncle. The issue you have with this one is you don't know when to go break even, because you don't know where the resistance is. It could be here, it could be, you know, it could be all the way up here. You don't really know, so it kind of makes it harder. But look at this rocket, we're flying. So yeah, like it's like now, you know, do you close? For me, 20 pips, I'd close. But yeah, that's the hard part of it. It's kind of, there's nothing to the left. You can measure the average move on gold and use that for break even or TP. That's true. That's something that you could probably look to do in that case. Yeah, that's true, Andrea. Just get the push, because that's all you're really wanting with these. You know, you're not getting in. You just need to get a push, take your pips, and dip. Gold is annoying right now. Nah, it's not annoying, man. It's just bullish. Very, very strong. It's just in terms of how you maybe want to trade, it might be annoying, but that's just your trading plan. You got to stick to it. You got to stick to it. And then some of the days where people take trades here and you take trades on a normal day or a day that's a bit slower and you get your normal pips, but you get that 10 times out of, you know, 13 days and they get this once or twice. It's, you know, it's worth the wait. Once you get comfortable with just waiting and making sure that every single analysis or time frame is perfect, man, it makes it so much easier. There we go. There's the rejection. So again, now, in terms of this situation here, right? Because you didn't know where to go break even, let's say you were being a greedy fucker this morning, and you haven't gone break even yet. Now what do? You just had a winning profitable trade here, but because it didn't hit your level, which is all the way up here, because that's the only level we have to the left, now what are you going to do? So again, it may look good on paper just to take a buy randomly, but if there's nothing to the left hand side that you can use to help you out, it's going to be so much harder, okay? So that's why I'm just not bothered about this. Whereas if we go down here, okay, I took this buy here. Okay, you could go, well, Max, look, what's the difference, right? It's just a buy, it's a closure above, whatever. Obviously, it's more in higher time frame, but it's kind of similar because the higher time frames both close below and all that kind of close above and all that kind of stuff. But so why would I take this one and not this one? Well, look to the left hand side. Okay, if you look to the left hand side, okay, when we close above, 1 second, is this right? Yeah, it's here. 1 second, let me just 2049. Yeah, sorry, I should have probably just redrawn that. Okay, can you see here? When we close above this level, which is like here, and this one here just pushes, what happens? Every single time we close above, we drive to at least 2052. For the most part, though, we go to 2055. But let's just say 2052. Okay? I know this is a fact. Okay? In recent times, when we close above this level, we drive. Okay? We drive. Okay? So knowing that fact, when it comes to my trade opportunity, to the right-hand side, okay, when we get a closure above, which is here, obviously this one's a little bit higher up, so it'd be like there. When we get a closure above this zone, we drive, okay? So I know that we're going to get the drive to 2056. Yeah, so I'm supposed to put the full range, but I close at 2052. So yeah, so this is the high of the range, so let me just go back. Yeah, okay, so we push all the way up to here. Now the reason why I had this at 2052 is because we have some sort of resistance here, right? Because we start to reject there, a little bit of wicks, there's support here. So this is a key level, 2052. Okay? So now, when I took this buy, if you actually look at the street, if you look at the trade that I took in terms of Instagram and looked at how I traded, I was break even when we touched that line because I know that there could be some sort of resistance there. Okay? And actually, because it was my second trade for the day, I pretty much closed there as well. Okay? But again, the difference is I know where to go break even. I know where I could have issues. I know where potentially we're going to end up, which is here. 2056 to the T. So that's the reason why. So remember, pick your battles wisely. Make sure you know exactly what's going to happen to the left-hand side, you know, with an 85, 90% probability. Right here, I don't know how far this is going to go. Okay, we could close back in the zone, reject, and then take a loss, okay? For me, this whole year is going to be about taking as few losses as possible. Because I feel, you know, when I watch Don trade, in terms of how he trades, there's a couple of things. I spoke about this in my first stream back, but if there's less losses, obviously it makes you feel good, makes you feel confident. That's good. It makes you always have that, you know, you're happy to get in the markets because you've got a good win rate. But also because you have a good win rate and a high win rate, you have so many less losses. You only have a certain amount of losses a month, a very limited amount. So therefore, when you're going to go through your trades and trying to get better, you only have 2 to review or 3 to review instead of fucking 6. So it helps you also get better because you only have a certain, you know, a lot less amount of losses. So that's why I quite like it.
I like what you tell.
Yeah. So
I like it. I don't interrupt you, but I like it. I like many things that you tell. You know, I think that we trade totally different, Max, you know. I see sometimes many people talked about Don, you know, like his style of trade. You know, I think the more important thing to you be safe in this career or with your manager risk, everything that you need to control how much you can
Lose, yeah.
lose. That's the point, you know. That's a long way run, you know. And more you watch, more you like organize your graphic and start believe what is gonna happen. More successful trades you wanna have, you know. Look, I wanna tell the truth. I think this year and a half, the last year is the best year's trade of my time trading.
Oh, 100%.
And you know for what? Because I've stopped thinking about the ideas of the other ones. I can share my idea, but the more confidence I have with my strategy or my opinion about gold, that's the only thing that I do, more successful I want to have, you know?
Yeah, 100%. That's what I've been thinking, like, been going through. It's like focusing on your own stuff. Don't get persuaded, or not persuaded, but kind of sidetracked at other people's. You know, keep with what works for you.
And that is other thing that I respect many ones here in the group, like Christian. Christian, I share my ideas with Christian every time. But you know what Christian have? He have the balls to don't copy my trades.
Yeah, he just
because he tell me I waiting for my enter.
Yeah.
4 hours 4 hours candle. That is a strong mentality.
Yeah. 100%.
Because he know how to trade, and he waiting for he enter. He watching my idea. Sometimes he jumps, sometimes not. But he just go with his opinion.
Yeah. Sticks with his plan.
You know, and I know many people don't have the time that we have to students to see the graphics because have a family or whatever, work or everything. But if every day you go up there 50 minutes, 30 minutes and just watch, you know, try to understand the market in different time frame, you want to be better the next day.
100%.
You know? Not just coming here and listen the boys talking and copy some trades, you know, no. Just watching, you know. More you watch, more you see, in the end of couple months you understand more. You know, sometimes I will come in here and see the graphic of gold, man, I don't know what happened. Because I see these fucking lines and the fucking candles for many years already.
100%. Exactly, brother.
I have some friend in North Carolina that can manage your TikTok.
No. Can he now?
Ay, my friends. So fucking sick in home. I leave the kids in the school right now.
Oh, lift time.
My wife goes fly.
Your wife goes where?
Go fly. She's a flight attendant.
Oh, wow. She flying.
Yeah, I have a hot flight attendant in home. Stuff for everyone. Some people want have the plane. I have the flight attendant.
Oh yes.
Oh yes. People in the YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Stop loss, mate. And put some likes and send some hugs. No, don't be a pussy, guys.
Good words of wisdom there before. It's very good. That's what we like. We like the deep chats, boy.
This is the only chat that you catch 100 pips, 400 pips. I can catch how many pips I take this month, bro.
Tons, bro.
I buy the Testarossa if I want. I pay my apartment.
La Testarossa. Okay, now I'm trying to do this. Where the fuck?
God, man. Even yesterday I go to the hospital and the doctor, fucking pussy guy, bro.
Why?
He don't give me nothing.
He don't give you nothing.
Nothing. He just say, well, yeah, just take the grip. I say, okay, but you can give me like a, something. I'm feeling bad or something. No, I can do. Man, I come in here, I'm waiting, I pay. Wow, just give me some medicine, I'm feeling bad. If you're just coming here to see you, I staying home, it's the same. And he don't look what they tell. Bro, he
Really?
Kick me off. Maybe today I go again and ask for other doctor. Where Brian go? He's flying?
You're being a pussy boy.
He asked me the other day to make some video explain the theory of my life.
A what?
The theory, the theory.
Oh yeah.
About my lines.
Oh.
Yeah. He asked me 2 times already.
Damn, son. Add a sauce? What the fuck? Ah, shit. I need to, I'm trying to stream on TikTok.
Streaming TikTok is possible?
Yeah, I've done it.
What do you know streaming Kick?
Yeah, I was thinking about that, but it's so hard to get an audience. Like, it's just like...
Man, the audience is your friends, like me, Christian, Kiko, and the other guys in the
that is
shop,
very true.
When the guys start making noise and start making peeps and win trade, the audience come. The people sit in front of the computer, see Andy Ross and the fucking Neon and the fucking stupid guys doing shitty things in the street.
Aaron Ross.
Man, I see regions guys make thousands doing shit. Man, when I'm younger, if I have a streaming, oh my god, man, I'm fucking millionaire right now. Oh my god.
So yeah, looking like Goldie. I think Goldie's gonna reject here. 15-minute close bullish above, which is fine. A big rejection wick.
Yeah, I don't sell, bro.
No.
Too danger, bro. Too danger. He's a new area. He everything can happen up there. He can fly 200 beeps and he can go down 200 beeps.
Yeah, I think.
But
I think it depends. I mean, I think if now
the other Dre, I dreaming it goes 40,000.
40,000.
40,000, like 4,000. 4,000. And I wake up in the dreaming, inside to the dreaming, say, how this happen? I don't see, I need to go to my computer, and I can't find in my computer and start freaking out in the fucking dream. And I realized that I fucking dreaming inside to my dream. I say, oh my god, I dream inside to my dream.
Yeah.
I need to take care and go back to bed. And I go back to bed in my dream. This is out of control.
You out of control, boy.
Yeah, my friend. How's your day? You finish here and go to gym or go to walk a while?
Go work at 9. That should be good. 9 till 5, and then after.
You working home or you work is close to your house?
Home. Work at home
That's-
today, but going in tomorrow, and yeah, boy.
Hey, you see this kind of coin that's kind of your Yeezys?
Yeezys.
Yeah, the Yeezys is the inside to your eyes.
I don't know what that is. What?
You know the color inside to your eyes.
Yeah.
You know, every single person have a different Yeezys. It's not the same.
Yeah,
Every
yeah.
person have a different.
Uh-huh.
And some coins, like a wall coin,
Uh-huh.
crypto, is change money for registration the wallet with your ease, with your eyes.
Oh my god.
And he give you like a 200 euros for free,
It's not bad.
you know. Just for registration.
It's fucking not bad at all.
I know, but what he do with your fucking easy? You know, because that's the Yeezys is more powerful than like a digital finger, you know.
Very
I
true.
don't know. I see these where the big scans coming. Yeah, because he's scanning like 1,000 million people already around the world, and just and this kind of company crypto coins, he go only in the countries that the life is more like poor, you know. He go like Africa, he go to Brazil, he go to Argentina,
Yeah.
with the place that people need to more money.
Yeah.
And that's the point that I see. What the fuck?
That's a
what
dick
this guy
move.
gonna do with this information? You know, maybe sell your eyes for the dark market. We don't know.
No good. No good, dog.
You have some bitcoins already?
Yeah, I have some Bitcoin. I have a little stash.
I
Little
sell-
stasharoo.
I don't have anyone.
Yeah, man, you make enough money here, bruh. You don't need no more, boy.
Yeah, but my wife will start kicking me out again. He told me that I need to learn a couple things more. You know, be more than I am.
What?
Yeah, man. Sometimes the people, you know, stopping, like what we talked the other day. You know, we do the same every day.
Mm-hmm.
You know, we need to learn more skill.
Learn a new skill, boy. Are you looking for a fake out? Yeah, potentially. We'll see. Yeah.
If you sell here and go, where you sell?
Nah, so it'd have to be
More down, no?
like there.
Maybe more. Yeah.
So I would take the sell like there. Just to get
Yeah,
back
no.
down to support.
How many pips? 30 pips?
Yeah.
How many? 30 pips stop loss you?
Like 60.
Yeah, 50 for 100.
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah. Broken the previous 15-minute low.
How many people watching on YouTube?
Like 85 or something. It's not bad for the first couple streams back, boy. I'm gonna get that TikTok one running. It looks like it's working, which is good. I just need to program it a little bit.
Hey Max, I want to start copy your clips in TikTok to make an extra 2,000 a month. What do you think? I send you a 50%.
Wait, copy my shit. Go
yeah,
for it.
of course, man. What all the guys do, it's not your friends, and you don't give a shit. Man, I do. I make a little 2K extra for my kids.
Uh-huh.
I wanna show my little young girl How to do?
Yeah.
Man, a friend of mine the other day in Brazil, he showed me how much he make just copy and put in TikTok the like the famous guys, like the motivate guys speaking, Brazilian guys, they have too many audience. And the guys make like a 5K every month.
TikTok boy. I know, it's wild.
Just doing fucking nothing, bro. He automatic everything.
Yeah. I watched this guy, which I'm gonna do. Tom Birchie.
Dylan.
He makes 35 videos a day. He makes like 110 million views a month, which is like 80 grand, and he lives in Thailand. And
Man,
he's
looking here, man.
And he's got a broccoli shop.
Oh my god!
Sells
he have a broccoli.
He sells
weed. Where, in Thailand?
Yeah, and he's got potions. Look, kratom. Do you know kratom?
Man, but in Thailand, weed is illegal.
No, it's legal. Yeah.
Oh, it's legal.
And yeah, you have like kratom, which is like a drink, like a leaves drink, like therapeutic and shit. But yeah, he's proper businessman. Sick. How do you trade in the States? I heard there's heavily regulations in the US. Yeah, there is. I don't know how people do it over there, to be fair. Do you take any trade? Hello. No, not yet. We're still waiting on. Gonna see how this closes in 3 minutes time. If it closes above, then I'm just gonna leave it and we'll wait till later on. But yeah. So if it doesn't close below 2119.4, then I'm going to leave it. Because again, what could be happening here is price is just made a high, came back down, retest for support to continue. So I'd rather not do that. I need to wait until you get a closure below. Then a top wick and then a drive, just to get back into that zone. I don't think it's got enough juice yet to push. But we'll see. 2 minutes time, if it doesn't close below, I'm gone, boy.
The only thing that I see gold is all the time he don't start the day with power to go back down like a 50% of the day candle of the last day.
Yeah, it's just so bullish, just fly.
You like 1, 2, 3, 2 big candles day.
Yeah.
And start like small ones, like in 2041, something like that. And he just go up like 200 pips per candle. So it's not really easy right now. He go back down like 100 pips,
Yeah, exactly. That makes it hard because you like that, don't you? You like getting in like on the lower wick. Do you get in on the lower wick on the 50% of daily? Hello.
What?
Do you get in? Because I think that's what you like, don't you? I can't change the color, but you like getting in on the lower wick of the daily.
Yeah.
So if this comes down 50%, you'll take it. And then stop
more
loss
of the
below.
time, you can see my phone right now. Look, you can see.
I can't. You've got your cameras off.
Oh, my camera is off. Sorry, maybe. Oh, my camera is off. Where? The computer. Oh my god, I don't know how to touch that.
It's okay. Send me it on thing. But yeah, I think so. You look for like bullish closures and get in because like actually let's take a look and see if this would work there. 1 second.
I want to show you. What right now. That's $1 million screenshot, bro.
My god, literally it's 50% to the T. Fucking hell.
Look, I wanna send you in the Telegram.
Yeah.
Send you the Telegram right now. You can see.
Yeah, you're waiting for the lower wick.
And that's the point, like this handle.
Yeah,
Every time I jump, is like he go back a little bit. When he go back again, enter. But more of my enters, I'm doing like 15 minutes, kind of 5 minutes, kind of. You know, that I see exactly what's happened. I like to see what they look
That's
like.
good, man. Like on the lower time frames, yeah. So let's take a look here. 30-minute candle closed a bullish, sorry, bearish above though. Still closing above, so still gotta wait. But yeah, thank you so much for coming on. We'll see you guys on Thursday. I think I'll be streaming, not tomorrow because I'm at work, but Thursday will be on and Friday. But yeah, thank you so much for coming on, guys. See you later. Aloha. See you later, everyone. We'll keep you updated.
See you,
later
Max.
on.
Have a nice day, work.
You too. See you guys later. Peace out. Adios. Adios. Goodbye. Goodbye. Peace out. Peace out. And live. Oh. Yep. Zoom has shut itself again. Oh. Are we crashing a bit? See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much. See you guys later. Peace out.